Hello everyone! This video is about books that will help you save, manage, and be smart with money. Here we are discussing some simple principles that will take the secret out of the often compounded world of managing one's financial affairs. This life-transforming literature will give you the proper mindset and tools to succeed. And now, we are going over 5 best books for financial success. Number 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Rich Dad, Poor Dad book's objective is how to use money as a tool for wealth development. In this book, the author shares the story of 2 fathers, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. One has a collection of degrees, certificates, diplomas, scholarships, and completes their 4-year degree education in 2 years. And the other has never finished the 8th grade. One died, leaving tens of millions of dollars for his family, and the other, overqualified, left bills to be paid. In this book, you have to learn about how these 2 fathers shaped his thought about money and investing. The overarching theme of this book is covered in the below main ideas. Poor and middle-class men work for money, and rich men have money work for them and the other side. It does not matter how much money you make rather than how much money you keep. The poor and middle-class people acquire liabilities as they think these are assets, rather than the rich people who acquire assets. The important thought of this book is that your mind is the single most powerful asset. The comprehensive theme of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is how to use money as a tool for wealth development. Number 2. Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. In this book, the author shares your thought about the business that aims at the important financial issues and tax flow. This book gives a detailed account in words of 4 different categories of people: employed, self-employed, business owner, and investor. The first 2 quadrants are E and S. These people are largely dependent on their jobs for their livelihood. They work hard to make their boss happy and also maintain their image in the company. They devote most of their waking hours to that company and would be in serious financial trouble if that company were to go under or if they lost their job. They pay heavy taxes to governments who give benefits to others and live their lives in debts and other financial crises. Meanwhile, the people on the right side of the quadrant are business owners and investors who grow on others' hard work. They just put an idea and other people just go to grow their ideas. Business owners and investors look for people that are smarter than theirs to run their business. An investor does not have to work as their money works for them. This quadrant is about investments that generate income on an ongoing basis. Further, this book is beneficial for those who want to build their company from zero to a well-known brand. Number 3. Sales Dogs by Blair Singer. This book reveals how knowing the habits and interrelation of the 5 basic breeds of people can improve their business and sell savvy. In this book, the author teaches us how to overcome the fears, myths, and obstacles to selling your products, services, or yourself in a very fun and impactful way. It then teaches a simple, time-proven selling process that will generate great income in almost any business. People have different personality traits. The art is to learn what their natural strengths and weaknesses are to achieve the best possible results. The book quickly exposes the idea that you don't have to be an attack dog to be successful in sales. The most successful salespeople are those who understand their natural strengths and work hard to acquire the favorable traits of other breeds. Number 4. The Psychology of Sales by Brian Tracy. This text reveals the ideas, methods, strategies, and techniques for salespeople to sell faster and easier than ever thought possible. The main focus in this book is the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, when applied to sales, resulting in that the top 20% of salespeople make 80% of the rewards, and the rest of 80% at the bottom only derives 20% of the rewards from customers. So it would be best if you made possible efforts to put yourself into the 20% people category. So you need to develop the below skills that get you in a place in the top 20% of salespeople: prospecting, building rapport, identifying needs, presenting, handling objectives, closing the sales, And getting resales and referrals are the main key areas in sales that need to be polished to get you a place in the top. The author of this book also says that the quality of goals is directly proportional to your level of success. A powerful way to help you think and make better decisions is by setting quality goals. These goals must be annual income goals, annual sales goals, daily, weekly, and monthly goals, activity goals or desired hourly rate, and the last is personal goals. Number 5. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This book is a magic guide to help you understand people, make them like you, and win them to your way of thinking. The core idea is that you can change other people's behavior simply by changing your own. In this book, you've learned fundamental techniques in handling people, 6 ways to make people like you, how to win people to your way of thinking, and how to change people without giving offense or rousing resentment. Please check the links in the description to find these books. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos about financial growth.